Hey guys, let's see how to connect the GH88 to a cell phone. This is a body camera. So here on the cell phone, you need this app, the Sports DV. Just go to the store and download the app. Come here to the camera, press and hold the button until you see the LED here on. And then the second step is just double press here. So double press and you're gonna see the light flashing. That means it's ready to connect to the cell phone via Wi-Fi. You come here to your cell phone and look for the Wi-Fi and look for the camera signal. There we go, that's the one. Then you just click here, and if it asks for the password, you just type here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Hit enter, and now the cell phone is connected directly to the camera. Then you come back and use your app. Okay, so here, that's the app, Sports DV. And now you're gonna see that there's a play button here, which means the camera is ready to connect to the cell phone. Let me just put the camera back here so we see that I can just hit play and the camera is working live. Okay, let me just move something in front of the camera. You see that's working back there and you're done. So basically that's the way you can connect your GH88 camera to your cell phone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.